Hi guys, today in this video, I'm gonna tell you all about the CMD code. Well, not most, but something that could impress all of you. Okay? So first, here it is. Open window R, like my first video says. Click type CMD, and now here it is. I'm gonna go with green color first, okay? Because I like that color. So first of all, you can type CMD. CMD will just say the Microsoft window, the beginning one. And the second one, let us show some basic. For example, like task list, it will deliver some packet from your computer. Or you can use kill task. But in my computer, it doesn't work. So the other thing is system info. Now, what is system info? It will send packet and all information or some information about your computers. Let's see. You need to wait a little bit. There. Oops, that's privacy. Yeah. So you see, well, that's private, and I cannot show you that. Okay. Now what else? Oh, I know. Why don't we say the top powerful one in the world 2021 that hacker use? And it is ping. Now, how do you use ping? For example, when we go to in Google, we might find like something different. Let us search, for example, like Google. All right, Google. You'll see this Google. Or maybe we can make it simple like Hangout. After you see this Hangout technique, you just need to go back here again and just search Hangout. All right. So ping www.hangout.com. It's optional if you want to use Google Hangout or Hangout.com only. It will send package and information about the website you are using. Now we also can use the data we get. So for example, we can use the IP address that was found here, okay? For example, like this one, 45.33.2.79. Now, let's try this first, okay? Ping 45.33.2.79. See? It will send the data about it. Um, what else we can use is Tracert. Tracert will send the road about the thing that you want to search. Let's say Tracert www.google.com. Warning. So it depends on the computer you're using. Like my computer, sometimes it will take a long time. Sometimes other computer work in Tracert faster. Let's see. See, you just need to wait a long time for this. Now let's just wait for a moment. I'll skip this first. Alright guys, so I'm gonna exit this and get in again. Other thing we can use now is ifconfig. Alright. What is ifconfig? Ifconfig is the CMD code that could transfer or give you or show you your computer IP address. I won't show you my ifconfig because it's privacy, but you can try. The other thing is we can do another one. What if we say Natch? Yep, Natch is a really interesting one. You can get everything. Like for example, you wanna search the Wi-Fi password or the password around you. Let's say Natch Blan show profile. This code will show you all the Wi-Fi you had ever connected with. See? This is all the Wi-Fi that I have been connected with. Okay? What else? We can click PC constant number of file specification. And you can also try to use Control-Shift-I. Control-Shift-I will send you different type of things here, okay? So we need data. Or we can transfer a data here. So for example, I put maybe this data and I put it here. You click it. Just wait. Sometimes it could be a failure one. Well, the RCMD code is shut down S. This shutdown S will help you to remotely shut down your laptop less than a minute. Shutdown I will take you so that you can remove or shut down other people's computer, and that is kind of illegal unless you know their address, IP address. The last thing I'll tell you is root. Alright, yes, that is. Root is something incredible. It can root or send the information of other things, just like ping or tracer. But there's a little difference. When we click root, we can like root www.google.com. Well, sometimes it doesn't work. Or maybe you can use root. I hope I spelled correctly. A. There. The R thing is RAPA or A like this. He'll send you some protocol of address, physical address. Alright? Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more video. The next video will be how to find or connect Wi-Fi password using CMD. Thank you. See ya.